Before getting to the main point in discussing this content, it would be a good idea for you to subscribe and turn on the bell to help develop this channel. Ever thought that cooking could be your secret weapon against anxiety? Imagine transforming your kitchen into a sanctuary of calm, where every chop, stir, and bite helps melt away your worries. In today's video, we're diving into anxiety-friendly cooking, sharing stress-reducing recipes and techniques that will not only nourish your body, but also soothe your mind. Let's get started. Anxiety can often feel overwhelming, but what if you could incorporate simple, calming practices into your daily routine that help manage those feelings? Cooking is not just about feeding ourselves, it can be a therapeutic activity that engages our senses and brings a sense of accomplishment. Today, we'll explore how you can turn your time in the kitchen into a mindful, anxiety-reducing experience. The power of mindful cooking. Cooking mindfully means being present in the moment, focusing on each task, and enjoying the process rather than rushing through it. Here are a few techniques to help you get started. 1. Set the mood. Start by creating a relaxing environment. Play some soft music, light a candle, or diffuse calming essential oils like lavender or chamomile. 2. Organize your space. A clutter-free kitchen can help reduce stress. Before you begin, ensure your workspace is clean and organized. Lay out all your ingredients and tools so you're ready to go. 3. Focus on your breathing. As you cook, take deep, deliberate breaths. This helps keep you calm and centered. Stress-reducing ingredients. Certain foods can help alleviate anxiety due to their nutritional benefits. Incorporate these ingredients into your cooking for a calming effect. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale are rich in magnesium, which can help reduce anxiety. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that support brain health and reduce anxiety. 3. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries are high in antioxidants, which combat stress. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are great sources of healthy fats and magnesium. 5. Chamomile tea. Incorporate chamomile, either as a tea or as an ingredient for its calming properties. 6. Whole grains. Foods like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote a steady mood. Calming recipes to try. Here are some delicious, anxiety-friendly recipes that you can try at home. Recipe 1. Omega-3 rich salmon bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water, 2 salmon fillets, 1 avocado sliced, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup red onion sliced, olive oil for drizzling, salt and pepper to taste, lemon wedges for garnish. Instructions: 1. Cook the quinoa by bringing water to a boil, then simmering covered for 15 minutes. 2. Season the salmon with salt and pepper, then pan-sear or bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 12 to 15 minutes until cooked through. 3. Assemble the bowl by layering quinoa, spinach, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. 4. Top with the cooked salmon, drizzle with olive oil, and garnish with lemon wedges. Recipe 2. Berry and nut smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup strawberries, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 tablespoon almond butter. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy as a refreshing, anxiety-reducing snack. Recipe 3. Chamomile-infused oatmeal. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups water or chamomile tea, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup sliced almonds, 1/2 cup mixed berries. Instructions: 1. In a pot, bring water or chamomile tea to a boil. 2. Add the rolled oats and reduce heat to a simmer. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. 3. Stir in the almond milk and honey or maple syrup. 4. Top with sliced almonds and mixed berries before serving. Recipe 4. Magnesium-rich spinach and walnut salad. Ingredients: 4 cups fresh spinach leaves, 1/2 cup walnut halves, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1/2 cup feta cheese crumbled, 1 small red onion thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine spinach, walnuts, dried cranberries, feta cheese, and red onion. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. 3. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. 4. Serve immediately and enjoy the calming effects of this magnesium-rich salad. Cooking is a therapeutic activity. Engaging in cooking can be incredibly therapeutic. Here's how to make the most of it. 1. Take your time. Enjoy the process rather than rushing through it. Savor the smells, textures, and colors of your ingredients. 2. Involve your senses. Listen to the sizzle of the pan, feel the texture of the dough, and smell the aroma of fresh herbs. Engaging your senses can ground you in the present moment. 3. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to try new recipes or ingredients. The act of creating something new can be a great confidence booster and stress reliever. Tips for maintaining a calming kitchen routine. 1. Plan ahead. Meal planning can reduce the stress of deciding what to cook each day. Prepare a weekly menu and a shopping list. 2. Batch cooking. Prepare larger quantities and store them for later. This ensures you always have a healthy meal ready, reducing the temptation to eat fast food. 3. Clean as you go. Keeping your kitchen tidy while you cook can prevent it from becoming overwhelming. Incorporating relaxation into your cooking routine. Besides the actual cooking process, there are other ways to incorporate relaxation into your routine. 1. Cooking classes. Join a cooking class that focuses on mindful cooking or stress-reducing techniques. It's a great way to learn new skills and meet like-minded individuals. 2. Gardening. Grow your own herbs and vegetables. Gardening is a therapeutic activity that also provides fresh ingredients for your cooking. 3. Mindful eating. Once your meal is prepared, take the time to eat it mindfully. Savor each bite, paying attention to the flavors and textures. This practice can help reduce anxiety and improve digestion. The role of hydration in anxiety management. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal mental health. Dehydration can lead to increased feelings of anxiety and stress. Here are some tips for staying hydrated. 1. Drink water regularly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Keep a water bottle with you to remind yourself to drink. 2. Infuse your water. Add slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint to your water for a refreshing twist. These ingredients can also have calming properties. 3. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both can dehydrate you and increase anxiety. Opt for water, herbal teas, or natural juices instead. Creating a relaxing kitchen environment. The environment in which you cook can significantly impact your stress levels. Here are some tips to create a calming kitchen space. 1. Declutter your kitchen. A clean and organized kitchen can help you feel more relaxed. Remove unnecessary items and keep your workspace tidy. 2. Add personal touches. Incorporate items that make you happy, such as potted plants, colorful dishware, or family photos. 3. Natural light. Ensure your kitchen is well lit with natural light. Exposure to natural light can improve your mood and reduce anxiety. The importance of routine in reducing anxiety. Establishing a routine can provide a sense of stability and predictability, which is crucial for managing anxiety. Here's how to create a calming kitchen routine. 1. Set a regular cooking time. Choose a time each day for cooking when you're least likely to be interrupted. This can become a peaceful part of your daily routine. 2. Prepare ahead. Chop vegetables, measure ingredients, and set up your workspace in advance. This can make the cooking process smoother and less stressful. 3. Reflect on your day. Use the time while cooking to reflect on your day, think positive thoughts, or practice gratitude. This can help shift your focus away from anxiety and towards a more positive mindset. Cooking doesn't have to be a chore. By incorporating mindful practices and using stress-reducing ingredients, you can turn your kitchen into a place of calm and creativity. Remember, the goal is not just to